See ya. What's up, everybody? We got these Jordans here. You know, I grew up wearing sneakers, so this is kind of a lost art. Don't really do many sneaker cleaning videos on this channel, but sometimes I gotta bring it back to where I started. Let's see if we can clean these up. I bet you there's still gonna be some discoloration in that white fabric. That's always the toughest to clean, but I bet you we can get these looking a little better. So what I'm going to do first is get these laces soaking. I'm going to put some advanced sneaker solution into this little bowl of water here. Going to want to agitate the water just to get it kind of sudsy. Mix it up. Starts to break down the dirt that's trapped in those laces. Now we can start to clean the uppers here. So we've got various types of brushes here. Got some soft ones, slightly medium bristle, a little more stiff, and then the ultimate brass brush. We're going to use a gentle method on the uppers, and some of this portion we might have to get a little bit more aggressive. So let's put a little bit more of that advanced sneaker solution into another dish that I have here. Mix it up. Get the shoe nice and sudsy. We'll let that soak in for a minute while we start to attack with a medium all-purpose bristle brush here. Kind of gently clean up some of that patent. Start to saturate the midsole. Can always use a magic eraser on those white portions. Get them spick and span. Slippery little guy. That's pretty much all you gotta do there. We can clean the outsoles, same method as the midsole there. You can use a slightly more aggressive brush for those tougher stains and stuff that gets embedded into those little nooks and crannies. But that's how it's done. Some of those scuffs are actually in the finish of the leather. There's not a whole lot you can do to get that out. I've seen some people use leather conditioners or lotion to try to buff it out. Sometimes that works as well. Not too shabby. Leave a comment in the section below. Let me know how I did.